Alright, so in this unit we're going to be looking at environmentals. We're going to be looking at how to make it rain within the UDK. We're going to look at making shaders that look like it's raining. We're going to look at sky domes and how to augment them to match your scene. And all in all, I gotta build the lighting for this. If you're very interested in those shader nodes, the ones that you have no idea what they do, this has a lot of those shader nodes that don't get touched upon very often. So if you go down, I have such things as how to make flowing water, how to use painters. Over here on this one, I show how to add normal maps together, how to use spinners and rotators, how to be able to adjust everything to scale. So all I'm doing is changing a few numbers in here, and it changes the scale to match the scene. How to do cube maps, how to mount those in there, reflections, all kinds of good stuff. I also do terrain coordinates. I've never seen those before until I started playing with terrain coordinates instead of texture coordinates. That allows you to change the scale of any material or texture on the terrain via the material rather than trying to paint it on, and you can make finite adjustments that way. I also show you how to make normal maps and how they repeat. Alright, good stuff. So there's a lot of information in this unit, no doubt. There's a few videos for it. It's pretty lengthy, but yeah. Alright, so this is just the introduction. I hope you enjoy. But as far as the grass is concerned, that's pretty ugly. .25. Go to lit. .5. And you can see what's happening here. 0.75. So it's just showing up just shy of the directional of the light. Yeah, see? So you might want to watch reflection on top of diffuse. And terrain coordinates, I put that in place instead of the texture coordinates. So what's going on is the environmental mapping, this multiply, that's all playing into effect to the grass, and that way it doesn't lend well to the grass itself. The scale of the drips doesn't match the grass, so that's another thing you got to be wary of. If that's the case, what would happen is you would probably want to match the scale of the player first to the grass. That grass is pretty small. So in here, let's try 0.5. Hit it. And that's a little bit more relational. And then let's go back to lit and look at the drips correlating to the grass. Okay, so over here, that is handled here, terrain coordinates. And right now the scaling is set to 0. Would it be the same? 0.5. Much better. So that's how you match two different things. How would you match the textures and the rotation at the same time? Just wanted to kind of show you that before we moved on to the next video.